Yeah, namukela nakambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. A channel. Yeah, of course, I'm the talk about various things here. Like, ngopfu sa hikhumbha ngopfu Maraj, hi talwa na hi vo Ben Mayengani, na hungu leri khumbhaka vo Ben Mayengani. Unfortunately, the title cannot really fit. Leswi a ni ta swi lavisaka swona mina, so ta ke hi swi kombisa sweswo, and then ta tlhela hi hlaya na matimu ya yena Emakumu, because hi siya na matimu loko a suka demon, which is great. Yeah. Yeah, so ro sungula hi ta sungula ku RIP to him. Yeah, so from a content point of view, we can say the guy are a YouTuber. Ngastaladan or Gasladan was a YouTuber and a content creator in a way yo in the comedy night show. Chavi and stuff like that, called verbal engineering and stuff like that. Unfortunately, I'm not really familiar with it. I'll get someone attend about it. It has to do with comedy, obviously. So Ngathenvelo was also a fellow YouTuber, because I end another video like a YouTuber, I post and stuff like that. So that's what I'm saying. From the content point of view, we can see that he was a YouTuber. Namun Louis, I end up comedy. Of course, Matimu I came a because matele like it's a rain. Address. Yeah, one one mufana the president, the president, Baba Kumbegin Shnan. Got artists in one of you Kumbego because the men were pushing Shnan. Gian fill up. I'm not sure if he was paid or what, but he pushing Shnan. The guy was a face also for Gian fill up. Was successful, of course, in 2018. He was also the face there. And I Arfeni cool, yes, they were Arfeni Kuru Mashlena Guambi, Kalbam Lea 2022. Lavan go complain ko sound was not great. Yena katemendela ko kuba a unique sound and stuff like that. Ko kunti during that sound the man accept and stuff like so. I temendela man. Man kuma. So kuna makala look arka yona makali. Engezi hinda yaka lishungwan swotala Chavi no Rivonia and stuff like that. I think one doctor's told no one sign free na. Kambe khana ku sim free hey swa vutomi swo mama ni vona man'wana laha nga swi tsala okay I think na xonge rhangani is also part of it crush ya mina of course and ni vona na ku tsarini na general gwavulani yona mani yi nga sungula swilo leswi yona ni fike ni rhange ni hlaya yona kahle to be honest. Yeah, it's also part of it. Ni vona va kha va complain about how things are going in terms of Rivonia ngopfu. We look trending severe van we look so like they are not happy about it. They are not happy at all because but you know only so and stuff like that. So hey, my perspective about the matter, of course, that I can connect. Yeah, of course, if ever you introduce Maga Rivonia, yeah, you look trending Magalena, Magami Vonin, so that I can some look video Kaya machine, of course. Magami Vonin, Magali look trending, Maga Rivonia, and Maga the red room. So, it's not like books and that's sticky, so it's because information they manga see one ayo. So Magalita Kaya address collectively, look video like I yeah, so before Maraj, I had all over. Left a lot of questionable information. Like not posted at the channel and then I delete it because it's clear the screenshot they were from his account. It's very clear. It's not edited. So then can forget the last one screenshot later I keep one I want to show you so kuna screenshot so fana as you can see, there's a red room in Rivonia, Chavi. CMC, can I go deeper on this one? As you can see, Chavi. Anga zika na kamakalina. Kuna red room. Live it so ish. Magati figure the beer. Kwa no kunitwa. Very Chavi CMC. We were phone na kuneno kumisalo anga continue so shungwa shili shundakushilu. Shura questionable so. Man kumen kufana le ai tsari na fana tsari ku hi xavise moya ka tindhawu ta wrong and se hatikela okay sorry mai kumanyana a vula ku yi look so no vula and stuff like that. As you can see like la are indicating ku hi yena he sold his soul it's not like vanhu va ndla fana na swilo leswi swi vheta swa swi adirheseke kahle swilo leswi nga tsariwa. People are just repeating the same thing, are just talking about the same thing. They are just talking about Rivonia because this is what the guy wrote. This is actually what's happening. People are repeating what the guy wrote. So we cannot say people are making fun. They are just repeating what has already been written. What has already been written. So you want the post the Chavi under fire because if you can cross-examine it, it's as if Maraj maybe anga khavula Chavi. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's happening at this post. Because look, hi hlaka paragraph ya 2 fika hi vona fika kombisa ku va n'wi nyike 500,000 va n'wi nyika hikhumbha dya mulungu leti hambi o va ku fambiseni ka mucato loko dingu lava u faka microphone ehansi a tsutsumela Joni at least yindlu u akile na phone yi xavile. Se ma swi vona loko swilo leswi swi hlaya from a general point of view swi tikomba na ku Maraj la a rifera ka Chavi. So that's why Chavi CMC is under fire about this matter because ku na post leyi nga ku trending swinene swilo leswi na swa hlupha. Ku na post leyi as you can see yona ni verify it still exists. If ka tsala ku se na bya hluphekisa shem leswo byela na xikhegudani xa mulungu se ni dya breakfast na mbyana ndhawu yin'we. Se ma swi vona ku kahle my whole entire point of view or my whole purpose i ku kombisa ku vanhu vo ndla rifu ra Maraj hlekiso. People are just curious about what's happening, about the information which is out here. Finally my vona mos yellow is clear. It's very very clear. So now one post anga tshama poster yelena Mukhegula I mean I think usually it's quite confusing. If you can think about it. So kuna swotala ngopfu to va khe choose ku lava ku dya swini okay yin'wana leyi anga fika tsala ku va ku va xihlekisi tikweni a swi nandzihi swa vava. Mina ni lava swipeme swa mina va nga chela ka blompot hi ku swa fana swin'wana leswi nga fika swi tsala sweswo. Sorry for the language, unfortunately we to read it that way. So la o kombisoni ku va teke swipeme swa yena. So it's quite confusing because we don't know if he was joking or these things were real matters now. Hi leyi n'wana post anga fika yi komba ku a kombisa ku yeah, like the spot is only like wena when like spotlight like vanhu va langutela ngopfu ka wena because va lava ku dya moya wa wena va ku singana nchumu to the base ma vona va ku siya not frustrations and depression va swi vona ku ina potential you can do more man. So put a light on it and then you think it's a fame kasi they wanna kill the seed. Yeah, so va swi vona ku na potential se va ku yisa le henhla nyana le kasi va la ku tekela nyiko swin'wana swa leswi a nga swi tsala. So hey swilo swa kona swa demand swa tika hi leyi one post la nga yi tsala. I think this was actually a week before he dies. If ka tsala ku i kona n'wansati wun'wana la she saw that we're going into a dark hole. Eri ku na n'wansati wun'wana nga swi vona ku a va ri nghenen ka bakwa kahle dark hole ya you can say bakwa ro pfumala light and then woneni munhu loyi a hi byela ku and then i ri hina hi n'wi byela ku a hambana na hina vona nyana leswi nga fika tsala swona. And then a fika kombisa ku tunnel so it's now red. And that dark hole it was dark it was dark, now it's red, it's turning red. A fika kombisa ku mbita yi lava ngati. Mina leswi ni nge swi koti. No, this is not me man. My one post it's as if matsarile I haven't this it's as if a kombisa ku se a ku laveka ngati like sweswiwa a swi joinini a swi lava ku se a sacrifice and stuff like that man kumayena. So yena a choose ku a nge swi koti sweswo ku sacrifice a family, it's better a teka vona leswi kombisa ku munhu loyi a kota ku hleketa like a nga zanga a lava ku nghenisa family ya yena because of money and stuff like that. So swi kona guys swi ku tekeni hi ta va kha hi zama ku kuma xin'wana screenshot la ma yi kuma nyana. Okay hi lexi xin'wana xa screenshot lexi a xi vekile na picture ya munhu a ku ri ya picture a ku ri ya location I think leya location a nga fatsela ku se vona bya hluphekisa shame leswo byela na swikhegudyana swa mulungu se ni dya breakfast na ndzwana ndhawu yin'we as you can see so guys swilo leswiwa mantivi like we don't know swilo leswiwa a ni yi hlayani kambe leya location leya location leyi okay it's fine hopefully ni vekele screenshot xa correct kwalaho so ma swona ku swilo leswi it's questionable guys mi ngo yi jaja ma ku hehe but it's questionable ni ku zama ku kuma xin'wana screenshot laha ni kombela ku ba pause sweswi ya ndani yin'we ya ti-post leyi a yi endleni laha most of this information is still there ka account ya yena a nga fantsala ku hi kuma opportunity yo xavisa moya hi vheta hi ni kombela ku yima ni kota ku hlaya hi vheta hi fuma straight up problem leri ra ka mdavula obvious vula chavi i toya man ku dlaya and be wealth cannot be that hard mfethu ku phila ka yi one se leswi a ku post ya khale laha kha kombisa ku hi na opportunity hi kota ku fuma hi mfumo why nga hina i nga daya hahani as you can see leswi a kombisaka swona laha hi kota ku fuma so since the guy was a comedian leswi confusaka vanhu like we're not sure if these things were real things or what ku na yin'wana kambe leya ya swipeme hi hlayeni obvious so swi loko we covered most of the information so yaleyo information guys leswi na ku swi vula i ku vanhu a vula leyi ku vulavula is because there is information leyi kona mara je a yi tsari that's why people are writing this it's not like people are making fun of them of the funeral nkosi no people are just talking about the information which is out there for example ka rifu ra aka a ku vulavuriwa guys because there was information also if there is information swa ku ba vanhu va vulavula va kha ku blamiwa kha va blamiwa kwalaha hi swivoneni so people talk if there is information to talk about hi leswi a ni na ku kombisa sweswo so mina in other words obvious na rejecta leswi va swi vulaka general gwavulani vo xongirangani yeah na vo Simon Free I think he also wrote something about it so na swi rejecta leswi va swi vulaka because information leyi yo va out there in public so swo boha vanhu va vulavula hi yona because the information is out there in public right it's not like people are making fun of the funeral so swi fana swi loko hi ndlela yin'wana loko ni va ni le video leyi ni vulavula hi leswi nga ko swo ni va ni kha ni endla fun of the funeral no we're just questioning these things mavona yena yeah so in overall as we finish the video vanhu vo tala va ri Chavi must come out hi mhaka post yaleyo that post yaleyo ya Maraj ka fa kombisa ku can I go deep at Chavi so Chavi is now under fire vanhu veri ifika a hlamusela swidixi they want information ku Rivonia ku ndleka yini yeah so of course swi ta khe nghena ka matimu ya Maraj lama nga matsala so loko yo xeka camera mi ta ni khomela because ni ta ni kha ni focus ngopfu hlala so ni kha ni zama my best ku va ni kha ni translate hambi sweswi ni judgiwaka guys I try my best to interpret I'm not the best interpreter out there but I try my best to make sure ku ri swilo leswi vanhu va va kha va swi twisisa ni kha ni swi mixa na Xitsonga hambi sweswi ni nga ri the best and stuff like that yeah so hi ta hi khe hi hlaya hi la matimu ya yena hi ta vheta sungula la ka 2008 yeah so as we can see there is showing in 2008 it joined the pick it up night squad making records of refuse bags and trucks going in and out sometimes heading to the field rubbish picking so under the records right so actually you pick up people in some garbage that's what it's actually showing here and then at times after like garbage thaga guys kufana leswi ndwa kula what a coincidence kufana leswi ndwa kula swo ku rhwala thaga se andla ti records ta swona if not anga ti records after rhwalela na yena himself right I think it's clear 2009 I'll screw it if you have a media start this graduate so if you are a graduator for media as you can see there which is great yeah and then decide to head for an internship if I got my internship at Hikhumbha Communications and then in June 2009 I suka ka Hikhumbha sweswi a kha swi endla and then I joined Curious Pictures as a post assistant I think ku posta swa twala ku itsini ku posta swilo so assist as a post assistant ta ku yini nga fambe jamuka lori leta ba honi manya and stuff like that yeah and then in 2010 swi fike ni ya ka sayitara because loko no ya hala henhla no ya hala video quality won't be that great so we need to if hi nghena side ra hala ya ka right here, so ni kombela ku ba na pause ni kota ku jika here. Alright, as you can see, in the 2010 grounded media called ifonele grounded media lava na vona va kha va lava assistant hi 2010, as you can see. And then contract ivi hela hi March, but ivi ya tshama hambi yi herini contract liyani, laha a nga kumeka a ri karhi a tirha, like he was volunteering, swo ka tirha for mahala mani kumanyana. So after working a full month as a volunteer, i tirhe n'hweti hinkwayo, n'hweti zi hela, and then va renew contract ya yena hikuva a tshamini, ma swi vona mos. And then as a production and post assistant until December. So swi kahle nkarhi wun'wana loko va mi hlongola, loko ku ri himpela a va ku aleleli ku va i volunteer look, even na laha va tlhela va n'wi thola, as you can see. Yeah, and then ka 2013, as you can see, ako i March sin yo swo ka ri kaya a kha a risa tihomu ta mutswari wa yena, ivi ya kuma call kusuka ka Mili Mulahudzi. Even then a joiner Tenza Media, as you can see, as a post-production assistant. Post-production, sure, look, let's say it's a song or a video. Hearing fana must not analyst. So, sure, what the run look see hearing fana video and video that can edit and boy edit that screenshot it. So, sure, after enter someone like a post, you can say post-production assistant. Look, I know na look, I know enough money. Yo hire munhu a ni fike ni endla sweswo, munhu a ni editela swilo leswi ku it's a lot of work, guys. Swa ni karhalisa, swi ni pandzisa na nhloko ku edita, as you can see there. Yeah, and then in 2014 I was still a Tenza Media as a promo editor and post assistant. And then 2015 to 2017 Tenza Media in-house editor. Kuma ku endla ka leswi a ni swi loko swi hela straight post swo vula a ku ri the same thing, no? Post product, no, 2015 to 2017 Tenza Media in-house editor and post-production manager. That's swin'we. Yeah, it's not the best in the industry, as you can see. Yeah, and then I come back if you are nominated. Sorry. Nominated for several local awards and international awards. Nominated like they nominated, they recognize you. It does not necessarily mean that you get nominated, you get recognized. Yeah, if you are winner SAFTA, then I traveled, as you can see. Then I have candidates for the first time. If you are faint, going in the and then I have foster. I think video looks shaking. Yes, things have been messed up. Once, guys, because this video it looks like it's shaking and I'm not happy about it. I'm not sure for how long it has been shaking. I know like I was not so aware it was shaking. Yeah, and then then 2018 May, if you tell a journey his journey with Chams Media Group. Say Chams Media Group, holdings, and then a new calling. Your speed, your chinga, if you are calling you back a chinga, a microphone, and then in 2018 December, if you are joined at forces with Chavi, 2018 if you are Chavi, as you can see there. Create a verbal engineering night. So surely unfiltered, which means they can say whatever they want. Like I filter on they talk about whatever they want. Leswi zama ku komisa swona la yeah, leswi pfumelaka vanhu lavakulu na lavatsongo va vulavula whatever they want, vona nyana. Yeah, one hell for sure a komisa ku yi tirhini swinene for that 2 years. Even in COVID era yi ri ku tirheni swinene. Ku va calling leyi na chavanga na yona and stuff like that. And then 2019, yeah, aku fika teka a big project called It Takes a Village. Now with Tikom this, I check out It Takes a Village with Tikom this. I was not aware of that project. With Tikom this, as you can see here, Tikom this, our editor, yeah. So show like this show atera as an editor, as you can see. Yeah, the show comes up show na Yeah, I had one of my episode nominated for foreign documentary awards in Italy. Eri nominated win, as you can see. Kaya one ya ti episodes ta yena a nga ta endla na tikomedisa kwalano. And then hi 2020 eri a nga ri lembe ra yena, as you can see. A nga ri lembe ya yena. I have no idea how I made it. Yeah, like he's not aware of how we made it. Like I'm 2020 kuna COVID, so you can remember. Camera guys, I think kuna some parts you ngava ku shaking because I'm not aware. So go short top so you can that video ke famba. Okay. Oh, it comes go. Oh man. Yeah, I forgot. And if you can editor Have Faith season 2. The Faith Gains lifestyle reality show for BAT, as you can see. So I did a Faith Gains. Me nang tanong tisa solid. Kota kong appreciate that the men are swinene. So 2021 February, ekume call ko va part of London-based franchise show Love Island SA. A wonderful 2 months. It ran for 2 months of my life in Western Cape. I Cape Town as a junior editor. Junior editor, sorry. Boss, this is an international show pay you in pounds. Oh, it's international show. In the pounds. So much pounds if I tell you like very pounds in South Africa. You can check 1 rand like 1 pound normal money in South Africa. You can see with the value is way too high. Yeah, as you can see. And then after comes 2021 May it's a journey after I end a show called OGS with Rebel in town. And then fatigue giving come and stuff like that. And fatigue the show like Matimu, but then you fall and stuff like that. Yeah, and then we comes ways. And then now a post-production services provider of Maraj Entertainment currently killing a documentary in Polokwane. So I can a documentary in Polokwane. It's hard. Hopefully it home got to yeah, that's gina kwana and necessary. So in overall, more. So it's very clear, guys. In overall, demand as I end editing. So introduction, it's correct. So working as to editing, but it does editing. And then it does, like it creates content. It's a content creator, and it's also a YouTuber at the same time. It just mistresses. And the comedy, right? Was an editor, right? So chef and a YouTuber. Yeah, I think we did our best, guys. How many minutes? 22 minutes. One time I got video is it Africa and I can and I've put all my effort. I've tried my best, guys. I've tried my best. Yeah, yeah. Me a supporter, guys. Me a supporter. I don't normally say it because I don't know maybe not well, but channel, guys. A YouTube channel. Buy. Kota kunla mali. Hello, ma'am. Come on, advertisement. So, document zama with your best. Make sure I skip the advertisement. Because shoes some video including second but people skip adverts because shoe ingekho to kuva hi generate mal so I support ka Gaza intsana ngofu guys intsana ngofu like the only channel push up shona lo ka tishaka tin'wana a fike hi ri kule ngofu so I support na hi ku intsanana it's because intsana mawona nyana so I support na ni loko ra amgeza subscribe ta kombela mi click subscribe.